How to create slipknot chains to personalize your project. Not all crochet techniques require a crochet hook. We love using an easy slipknot chain to personalize all our handmade gifts. Start by sketching out the name or word you'd like to create. This will help you work out how long your slipknot chain needs to be. Top tip: some of our kits come with the alphabet template included, but you can also write or even draw your own motif. Once you have your template ready, take your yarn tail and make a loop. Wrap the yarn tail around the back of the loop. Then pull the yarn through the loop to create your first slipknot. Now, hold the slipknot in your right hand and using your left hand, hold both yarn tails firmly between your thumb and index finger. Insert your right hand index finger through the slipknot. Now go under the long tail, which leads back to the yarn ball, in your left hand and pull the yarn through the slipknot. Use your right index finger and thumb to pull and tighten the newly created second slipknot. Hold the yarn tails in your left hand again. Insert your right index finger through the last slipknot. Go under the long yarn tail leading back to the ball of yarn, held in your left hand. Then pull the yarn through your slipknot. Pull and tighten to finish your third slipknot. Repeat these steps until you've created the length required for your project. You'll be able to see if your slipknot chain is long enough by laying the chain you have made over the template. Once you're ready to complete the chain, cut the yarn and thread the tail through the last loop to secure. Next, we'll use our template to position the slipknot chain on our project and pin it into place. Once you're happy with your lettering or motif, you can start sewing the slipknot chain onto your project. We've used a running stitch to attach our chain. You're now ready to personalize all your hand-knitted and crocheted gifts using slipknot chains.